Good morning to all. Today I will start the new exercise in application of derivative, chapter 7 in your book ISC Mathematics by ML Agrawal. Increasing and decreasing function. Increasing, जैसा कि नाम से ही पता है, तो it must be in the order that means you can say that increasing order greater than, and the decreasing means less than. But in the differentiation for a function, how we show the function is increasing or decreasing. There are two terms in the increasing. One simple increasing and other is known strictly increasing. So the difference between increasing and strictly increasing. Increasing का मतलब हम जीरो से भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. वी कैन स्टार्ट विद जीरो. जीरो से स्टार्ट करें या ग्रेटर देन, मतलब जीरो इज आल्सो पॉसिबल. यू कैन से द अदर नंबर्स आल्सो. ये जरूरी नहीं है जीरो, -1 भी ये, मतलब दैट नंबर मस्ट बी मींस वी कैन टेक इज ग्रेटर देन आर इक्वल टू जीरो. But in case of the strictly increasing, zero is not included, मतलब only greater than. Similarly, decreasing, the 2 points only decreasing are strictly decreasing. Only decreasing means we write the function as less than or equal to zero, मतलब zero be included, but in strictly decreasing only greater less than zero, not equal to. But what is the method to show? In this we will show that how to show using differentiation. First of all, a function will be increasing or decreasing if that function is continuous. मतलब सबसे पहला पॉइंट लिखना है, फॉर ए फंक्शन y is equal to fx in closed interval a comma b. What is the meaning of a comma b? A comma b का मतलब है कि डोमेन है. इन दिस ग्राफ इफ यू हैव ए कर्व, देन दिस पॉइंट इज a एंड दिस पॉइंट इज b. इन द गिवन डोमेन ये इंक्रीजिंग हो रहा है और ऐसे जाएगा तो डिक्रीजिंग होगा. तो इन द गिवन डोमेन दिस इज द a comma b, दैट इज द वैल्यूज ऑफ x coordinates on the x axis. Both are the x coordinates, not the y. The function for a function y is equal to fx is this. First part, the function fx must be continuous in open interval a comma b. I think I told in the Lagrange's mean value theorem and Roday's mean value theorem in the chapter 5 what is the meaning of the continuous, and also in chapter 5 the first 3 exercises, now not in the syllabus, but I have told continuous means when you do not get the infinity, उसे continuous function लगातार continuous. The function must be continuous. अब how to check the function is continuous or not, उसे लिखना नहीं है. You don't have to show, only you will write the function is polynomial तो continuous होगा. Function is sine, cos, exponential, then it is continuous. So you have to write the reason and then show the right must be continuous. ये तो हम theorem. Also the second point, the first derivative means f dash x must be exist in open interval a comma b. Open interval means not included a and b. Not included a and b. So in this case, if these 2 points are satisfied for a function in the given domain, then you will say that, means you will show that either the function increasing or decreasing. So third point, for increasing function, f dash x must be greater than or equal to 0. Increasing in the domain. So f dash for all x belongs to a comma b, for all x belongs to a comma b, and then you will say the function is increasing. If it happens, अगर ये वैल्यू जो तुमने निकाली है डेरिवेटिव, it is greater than or equal to 0, then you will say the function is increasing. अच्छा, अगर equal to 0 नहीं है, तो in that case the function is strictly increasing in that case. So fourth part we can say for strictly increasing, you can write f dash x is greater than 0, not equal in the for all x belongs to a. So this is the way I will tell you with the example. But one more thing, how to show the decreasing. These 2 points are common. ये common है, बस तुम्हें increasing की जगह क्या लिखना है, decreasing, and then this sign will be less than or equal to 0, and for this strictly decreasing, this part will be less than 0. Everything will be same. Third point only change and fourth point, but the first and second point will be same in the decreasing function. So this is the way how to show that. Now I will take the example. Questions are the strictly decreasing and increasing. Like question number 1. Show that the following function is strictly increasing on R. Fx is equal to 3x plus 17 and domain is given. वो domain is there. Domain मिला ये comma b in the given domain and domain is given, that is all for all real number, कोई range नहीं. It is strictly decreasing. So can you say the function is continuous? Yes, because it is polynomial. इसमें x की कोई भी वैल्यू रखते you will not get infinity. So the first part of this solution, first part, fx is continuous. How will you write continuous in R? Because it is polynomial. Polynomial means सारे फंक्शन पॉलिनोमियल इस तरह के होते हैं, जो भी चाहे स्क्वायर में हो, चाहे क्यूब में हो, फोर्थ पावर में, इट इज पॉलिनोमियल. Then second part you will differentiate. So what you will get 3. So it is, if it is 3, so it exists, it means so it exists in ओपन इंटरवल आर, मतलब उसको नहीं लेंगे, बाकी रियल नंबर तो रियल नंबर है, अब इसमें रियल नंबर में ओपन होगा ही नहीं, सो इट एग्जिस्ट इन आर। नाउ कैन यू से इट इज ग्रेटर देन 0 आर नोट? सो फॉर इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन इट मस्ट बी ग्रेटर देन आर इक्वल टू 0। तो 3 क्या है, दिखाई भी दे रहा है, इट इज ग्रेटर देन 0 है, इट इज स्ट्रिक्टली इंक्रीजिंग, क्योंकि ये कभी 0 नहीं हो सकता, स्ट्रिक्टली इंक्रीजिंग प्रूव्ड। सो बाय दिस वे यू कैन प्रूव, मतलब जब पता चले कि द वैल्यू is not equal to 0, always greater than 0, then you will say that it is strictly otherwise increasing. For example, one more question is second one. 1 minus 1 upon x is to show that the function 1 minus 1 upon x is strictly increasing. स्ट्रिक्टली इंक्रीजिंग, तो स्ट्रिक्टली इंक्रीजिंग सबसे पहले तो इट इज कंटिन्यूअस फंक्शन व्हेन x इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0, ये लिखना है बिकॉज x कैन नॉट बी 0, सो एक्सेप्ट 0 दिस इज कंटिन्यूअस फंक्शन एंड देन f dash x if you will find what you will get the 0 and 1 by x का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होता है minus 1 by x square, so you will get 1 upon x square। और ये 1 upon x square can you write as this? Every square function always positive means greater than 0, not equal to, क्योंकि x की वैल्यू ये 0 हो ही नहीं सकता, तो it is greater than, so this function is strictly increasing। And is it for one more example, question number 4, show that the function e की power minus 2s is strictly decreasing in R, मतलब रियल नंबर है इसके डोमेन, strictly decreasing, it is strictly decreasing in R, so it is continuous function, exponential function, always continuous, find, so what you will get, minus 2 e to the power minus 2x, and what you will say about this, this is always positive, कुछ भी वैल्यू रखें, क्योंकि ये जैसे 2 की पावर माइनस 3 है तो ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव, 1 upon 2 की पावर 3, ये कभी पावर, इफ पावर इज नेगेटिव देन इट कैन नॉट बी नेगेटिव, द होल रिजल्ट विल बी पॉजिटिव, तो इट इज पॉजिटिव, दिस 2 इज पॉजिटिव, बट ड्यू टू दिस साइन this value is always less than 0, ये कभी 0 भी नहीं हो सकता है, क्योंकि x की वैल्यू 0 भी रखोगे तो e की पावर माइनस 0 दैट इज 1, तो this cannot be 0 and you will get less than 0 always, so it is strictly decreasing। then seventh question, fx is equal to in on 0 to 1, like this, you have to show that it is strictly decreasing on 0 to 1. Do you know the type of function? It is called greatest integer function. Greatest integer function की मतलब क्या होता है? It gives the next lower integer. जैसे 2 है तो 2 देगा, -3 है तो -3 देगा. If it is 2.1 then it will give 2. If it is 2.9 then also it will give 2. Next lower integer. If it is -4.2 then it will give -5. Next lower. तो So this is the meaning of the greatest integer function. So if you will put 0, then it will give 0. Okay, it will give 0. And 1 को लेना नहीं है, यानी 0 से 1 तक ये 0 ही देगा. And the numbers which are given here always positive. 0 से लेके 1 तक positive ही होगा. It means when we put here the value of x, कुछ भी value रखते हैं, तो that will come negative because it is 0. So therefore you can say this is always means इसको differentiate ऐसे नहीं किया जा सकता है. इसको अगर हम रखेंगे इसकी वैल्यू तो f it is continuous function and between 0 to 1 it will give 0 minus x in 0 to 1. You cannot differentiate this. इसको differentiate ऐसे नहीं करते. differentiate करने पहले इसको नंबर लेंगे, जो भी इसमें वैल्यू होगी उसके बाद differentiate करेंगे. मतलब ये fx. Now if you differentiate you will get 0 minus 1 and this is always less than 0 because it is minus. So this is the strictly decreasing function. ये सब है इसके यूजेस की कैसे हम करेंगे. अब जैसे क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, प्रूव दैट द फंक्शन fx is equal to log cos x is strictly decreasing on 0 to pi by 2 and both side open, means 0 and pi by 2 not included because cos 0 is 1, cos pi by 2 is 0 और log 0 infinity होता है और log negative number also infinity. मतलब meaning now whether it is continuous function, yes, क्योंकि ये open bracket है 0 and pi by 2 not included, so it is continuous function. कोई भी वैल्यू रखेंगे आ जाएगा in the given domain. Now f dash x 1 upon cos x, differentiation of log, then differentiation of cos x minus sin x. So what you will have minus tan x. What you will say about the minus tan x? अगर हम ये वैल्यू रखते हैं 0 तो रखेंगे नहीं, तो because 0 is not included, तो more than greater than 0 and less than pi by 2. Pi by 2 भी नहीं रखें because it gives the infinity. So what number you will get between 0 to pi by 2? Always positive. Why? Because it is in first quadrant and you have read in trigonometry the first quadrant every trigonometric ratios are positive, but due to this negative side it is always less than 0 in 0 to pi by 2. So it is strictly decreasing function. So this is the way to prove the decreasing and increasing. Now I will tell you the next part. There's some more questions in the next video. So you continue watching the video and you will get the knowledge about the application of derivative. Thank you all of us.